Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Butterfree. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the left eye. Draw a curve outwards to the left. And then another curve to close it off on the right. Leave a large space to the right and draw the other eye with an oval that's on an angle. Let's draw the shape of the head now. From the top of the left eye, draw an oval shape over around the right eye and back down and in, stopping here. Then draw the other side of the face, but don't connect the lines, leaving a gap under the face. Now in between the eyes, draw a sideways oval. And then two pointed V-shapes underneath. Let's draw the antenna next. From the top left, draw a curve upwards. Then thicken just the end like this. Now add a curve at the end. And color it in black. Do the same thing for the right antenna now. Let's draw the body next. Under the left side of the face, draw a small curve down. Now before continuing the body, let's draw the hands. Draw a C curve. And then a zigzag for the fingers. Now draw a curve down for the right side of the body. And then close it off with another curve from the bottom of the hand. Next, draw another hand inside the body, but facing the opposite direction. Let's draw the feet next. Draw two long oval shapes coming out from the bottom of the body like this. Let's draw the wings now. Starting from the top right of the head, draw a long curve out and up, and then curve it back down. Now from the right side of the body, draw another shorter curve, slightly down, and then curving it up. Now connect these two lines with a line that dips slightly inwards in the middle. Next, draw the bottom right section of the wing here like this. Let's do the same thing on the left side now, but this side should be a lot narrower. Let's draw the wing pattern now. Draw a long curve shape on the top right like this. Then the same thing on the left. Now add a curve inside the end of these shapes, and color the section in black. Next, draw lines across the top wings on both sides. Now at the outside end of each line, draw a curve in between. The left side should be closer to the edge like this. Now color in those outside sections black. Lastly, let's finish off the pattern on the bottom wings. Draw a curve along the bottom edge. And color it in black. Then a curve shape inside. And lastly, 3 lines on each wing. And that's it for Butterfree. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.